Is your Telegram account banned and you have sent multiple appeals to them to try and get your account unsuspended or unbanned, but they haven't responded to you? If yes, the video for today is going to be interesting because I'm going to give you a possible solution to this problem, which may just help you to get your account unbanned faster. So when your Telegram account gets banned, it feels very weird because Telegram is a very lenient application as compared to WhatsApp at least. So if your account is banned and you have been sending them multiple appeals and they are not responding to you or they are not unbanning your account, I'm very much sure there is a good reason. So I have done a research online and I have checked to see why that may have been a cause that you're not getting a response, your account is not getting unbanned. The first and primary reason is that Telegram is a very famous application. But the problem is that these guys work with a team of like 30 employees, I think in the engineering department. That's what these guys are meaning online on Google at least. So if you do a search for does Telegram have only 30 employees on Google, it says yes. So this could be a reason why you're not getting a response. It may have been months that you haven't gotten a response or a email from these guys. You're sending an appeal, they're not responding. 7 months, 8 months, 1.5 years, or whatever it is. Because they have a small team, they're not able to respond to you. Alright? But that doesn't mean that once your account is banned or suspended, you cannot get it unsuspended. In order for you to get their attention, what you need to do is utilize an unofficial method to get in touch with them or grab their attention to respond to you. So the normal way is to, get onto the Telegram application, you log in, and if it says that your account is suspended, you get an option to contact customer support. You click on that link, contact customer support, fill up a form and do it, right? Apart from that, what you could also do is get onto telegram.org/support, fill up this form and send it to them. Okay, just put in a message telling them that your account was suspended for no reason. Please could you go ahead and unsuspend your account, your full legal name, your email, your phone number, solve the captcha and submit it. These guys should get back to you. Apart from this, what you could also do is, as an unofficial method, is to communicate with them through Facebook. So you could log into your Facebook account and then you could just do a search for Telegram out here and look for the official account for Telegram. If you do not get the official page out here, you could do a search for official page for Telegram on Facebook on Google. The first suggestion is going to be it. Click on that link and you are directly going to go to their official page. Go ahead and directly message them out here by clicking on the message option. Tell them out here that your account was banned for no reason. Please could you go ahead and unban it. Apart from this, you could also go ahead and post a comment in the latest post on their page out here, telling them the same thing, that my account was banned for no reason. Please could you help me unban it, and post the comment. These guys are definitely going to get back to you. I hope this helps you in a way and you get your Telegram account back. You get access to your account. You could start messaging your contacts and getting back to your business maybe. And if this does work for you, do let me know by email, or you could even post a comment in the comment section below. Take care, my friend.